Mabuhay everyone! I'm Rose Isobano here with Angela Salve. Our topic is about provide accommodation, reception services, check and check out, and guest value management. Objectives: the systematic process of guest check-in, the efficient process of the guest check-out, the importance and management of the guest value. Check-in procedure. What is check-in procedure? Check-in procedures are the initial processes for registering an arrival at hotel or airline, which typically involve verifying identity and reservation, and receiving your room key or boarding pass. Check-in is how you register when you arrive at hotel or airline. You show your ID, confirm your booking, and get your room key or boarding pass to start your stay or flight. So we have key step of check-in. Warm welcome and greetings, registration verification, room assignment, securing payment, information orientation, opening the guest full view. Warm welcome and greetings. Smile and greet the guest by the name possible. Offer an assistant with luggage. Ang warm welcome greetings ay unang hakbang sa check-in na ang layunin ay gawin kang komportable at masaya sa iyong pagdating. Ang mahalagang punto nito ay una, pagbati ng personal, kailangan nakangiti ang staff at kung maaari tawagin sa iyong pangalan. Like example, Mabuhay ma'am, sir, welcome to Sibiswa Hotel. Then pangalawa, tulong sa bagahe. Agad na mag-aalok ng tulong ang belha para dalhin ang iyong mga gamit or luggage. Ang point nito ay para maganda agad ang first expression at ma-feel ng guest na welcome sila. Registration and verification. Request a valid ID and copy of the reservation confirmation. Verify the booking details against the Property Management System, PMS. Ang registration and verification ay ang seryosong bahagi ng check-in kung saan sinisigurado ng hotel na ikaw ang nag-book. Una, kukunin ang valid ID mo at resibo o ng booking mo. Then pangalawa, i-check nila sa Computer Property Management System kung tugma ba ang ID mo sa pangalan ng reservation mo. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito ay sisiguraduhin nila na ikaw talaga ang nag-book bago ka bigyan ng susi ng kwarto. Room assignment. Assignment a room that matches the guest reservation. Consider any special request, example, non-smoking, king-side bed, interconnecting room, poolside room. Ang room assignment to ang pagpili at pagbibigay ng tamang kwarto para sa isang guest na mag-check-in. Una, tiyakin na tugma sa booking. Kailangan siguraduhin na ang ibibigay na kwarto ay match sa booking ng guest. Example, kung nag-book sila ng deluxe room na may king-side bed, yun ang dapat ibigay. Then pangalawa, huwag kalimutan ng special request. Kung may special request ang guest, halimbawa, example, gusto nilang smoking, hindi pinayagan ang paninigarilyo, gusto nilang kwarto magkakonekta o interconnecting dahil magkapamilya sila o kaya naman gusto nilang malapit sa pool or poolside, sisikapin ng hotel na ibigay ito. Securing payment, pre-authorize a credit card for the room rate and incidentals. Clarity and deposit or prepayment policies. Securing payment, ito yung part kung saan tinitiyak ng hotel na may pangbayad ang guest. Kukuha sila ng free authorization sa credit card para masigurado na covered ang room rate at ibang possible gastos like snack, damage, or iba pa. Nilinaw din nila kung may deposit o kailangan advance payment para sa walang confusion. Information orientation. Provide the room key and direction. Inform the guests about the hotel amenities, Wi-Fi details, and operating hours of services like restaurant and pool. Information and orientation. Dito naman, binibigyan ng hotel ang guest ng lahat ng important information, binibigay ang room key at direction papunta sa kwarto. Ini-explain din ang hotel amenities, Wi-Fi, password details, at operating hours ng service tulad ng restaurant, pool, gym, at iba pa, para alam ng guest kung paano gumamit. Opening the guest folio. A guest folio is created at this point which will detract all charges during their safety. Pagkatapos ng check-in, gumagawa ang hotel ng guest folio. Ito yung record or file kung saan nakalagay lahat ng charges ng guest habang nakastay sila like food orders, extra service, or room charges para sasama rito ng lahat ng gastos na babayaran pag check-out.
Checkout procedures. So, what is checkout procedure? So, checkout is the final interaction with the guest where they settle their bill and leave the premises. So, ang checkout po is ito yung final interaction with the guest. So, dito inaayos yung bill bago sila tuluyang umalis. So, a smooth checkout ensures a positive memory. So, kapag smooth at mabilis yung proseso ng pag-checkout, nakakasiguro po na positive memory ang iiwan sa guest tungkol sa kanilang pagstay. So, the goal is to ensure billing accuracy and quick hassle-free departure. So, it's also an opportunity to gather valuable feedback. So, kailangan hingan mo sila ng feedback para malaman ng hotel kung ano yung pwede pang ma-improve or kung ano yung nagustuhan ng guest during their stay. Key steps of checkout. Guest greet and account review. Folio verification and presentation. Payment and settlement. Farewell and feedback. Guest greet and account review. So, politely greet the guest and ask for their room number. So, magalang na batiin yung guest, like for example, mabuhay ma'am, how may I help you today? And then, huwag kalimutang um, tanong kung ano yung kanilang room number para makita mo agad yung kanilang booking and yung account. And then, access the guest folio in the PMS. So, gamit yung room number, a-access mo na yung folio sa PMS. Folio verification and presentation. Review all charges on the folio with the guest. So, kailangan mong i-review ang lahat ng charges na nakalista sa folio kasama yung guest. Hindi lang basta ibibigay, dapat i-explain at i-verify. Kasama sa i-review yung room rates, yung minibar, laundry, and restaurant charges. Resolve any discrepancies immediately and professionally. So, kapag sinabi ng guest na hindi nila iyon ginamit, is kailangan mong i-verify sa system or ask mo yung housekeeping to make sure na hindi talaga nila ginamit. Payment and settlement. Process the final payment. So, dito nagagawin yung pag-process ng final payment. So, dito tatanggapin mo na yung bayad mula sa guest and make sure mo na zero na yung balance sa kanilang folio. And update the room status in the system to vacant and ready for cleaning. So, mahalaga ito sa housekeeping department kasi ito yung signal na para linisin na nila yung isang room para i-prepare na sa next guest. Farewell and feedback. So, thank the guest for their stay. So, una sa lahat, magpapasalamat ka sa guest dahil sa pananatili nila. Like for example, thank you ma'am, sir, for staying with us. And then, ask for feedback on their experiences. So, humingi ka ng feedback ng kanilang naging experience during their stay. So, ito is crucial to sa isang hotel para makita ng hotel kung saan sila pwede pang mag-improve or kung ano yung nagustuhan ng guest. And then, politely invite them to return. So, pwede mo silang imbitahan na bumalik. And ito yung isang simpleng sales technique para ma-encourage silang mag-book ulit sa inyo. Guest folio management. What is guest folio management? So, a guest folio or master folio is a detailed running financial record of all transaction, charges, and payments between the hotel and a guest during their stay. So, ang guest folio or ang tinatawag na master folio is parang dito nakalagay yung lahat ng transaction, yung charges, and lahat ng payments na naganap sa pagitan ng hotel at ng guest sa buong panahon ng kanilang pag-stay. Purpose: to track expenses incurred by the guest in real time. So, ginagamit ito para i-track ang lahat ng expenses na ginawa ng guest in real time. And to provide itemized statement upon request or a checkout. So, nagbibigay ito ng itemized statement. So, pwede itong ibigay kapag hiniling ng guest or habang sila nakastay. O kaya ay ibibigay ito kapag sa oras na ng pag-alis nila. And then, to serve as the basis for the final bill or invoice. So, ito yung magsisilbing basis para sa kanilang final bill or resibo dahil lahat ng transaction is nandito.
Component of guest folio: guest information, name, room, number, arrival, departure dates, room charges, the daily room rate, and any applicable taxes, ancillary charges, expenses from the other hotel departments such as food, beverage, restaurant, minibar, room service, telecommunication, and internet, laundry, and ESMA service. Payment and adjustment: records of deposit, prepayment, and discount, final balance, the total amount due to calculated by subtracting payment from the total charges. Guest folio best management best practices. Real-time update. Charges from point of sale POS system should be automatically posted to the folio to avoid discrepancies. Daily auditing. The front desk or night audit team should review folios for accuracy every day. Transparency. Inform the guest about the charges and provide a copy of the folio for the review before final payment. System integration, use robust BMS that seamlessly integrates with other hotel system POS housekeeping to minimize manual errors. Staff training, ensure all front desk staff are well trained on proper fully management procedures.